This time I'm looking for c. c is in the denominator of the fraction. Okay, the very first thing what I have to do, I have to eliminate the fraction. Let me copy this problem one more time. I have minus x equals t over rc. Okay, so we said that anytime we want to eliminate the fraction, we have to multiply right side and left side by the denominator. So I have rc over here, okay? And I'm going to put this x inside of the parentheses, and I'm going to have rc. rc and rc will cancel out. And I'm going to have positive. Remember, anytime there is no any sign, there is always positive sign. So positive times negative will give me negative. rc times x is rcx is equal t. I'm looking for c. Okay, let me copy this down one more time. I'm looking for c. c is multiplied to r and is multiplied to x. Also I have negative sign. I'm looking just for c. So that's why I have to divide both sides equation by negative rx. Negative rx. Simply by everything whatever is multiplied to c. Negative and negative will cancel out. R and r will cancel out. X and x will cancel out. And I'm going to have c equals t over minus rx. Now, many students are confused if it comes to the signs, okay, in the fraction, okay? They don't know if the fraction is going to be negative or is going to be positive because I have negative in the denominator. Remember, fraction bar stands for the division. Anytime we do not have any sign that is positive, so positive divided by negative is negative. So that's why my answer is going to be negative. And I'm going to just copy down the fraction t over rx. So my final solution is negative t over rx is equal to c.